Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the wonderful world of plants and their unique qualities. Today we have an interesting species to talk about, lady's bedstraw. So let's dive right in. The lady's bedstraw has a rich history that dates back centuries. It is believed to have been used as a stuffing material in mattresses during the medieval times, hence its name. The plant was also highly regarded for its medicinal properties and was used in traditional herbal remedies. The lady's bedstraw is a perennial herb. It features small, bright yellow flowers that form dense clusters atop slender stems. The leaves are narrow, lance-shaped, and arranged in whorls around the stem. The plant's delicate appearance adds a touch of beauty to any garden or natural landscape. Lady's bedstraw thrives in sunny locations and well-drained soil. It prefers dry to moderately moist conditions and can adapt to various soil types. This hardy plant is known for its ability to tolerate poor soils and drought conditions. It can be grown from seeds or propagated through division. Lady's bedstraw is known to attract beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, making it a great companion plant in pollinator gardens. It also acts as a natural ground cover, helping to suppress weed growth and retain moisture in the soil. Additionally, it can provide some shade to nearby plants and help create a microclimate beneficial to certain crops. Aside from its historical uses in mattress stuffing and herbal medicine, lady's bedstraw has culinary applications as well. The young leaves and flowers can be added to salads or used as a garnish, imparting a mild, sweet flavor. It has also been used to produce natural yellow dye for fabrics. And that's all for today's episode on the fascinating lady's bedstraw. We hope you enjoyed learning about this beautiful and versatile plant. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on gardening and farming. Happy gardening!